Good day everyone. Hello CBE and CHS students. Hello Notre Dame University. Welcome for today's interview. But before I formally start our conversation, allow us to take this as an opportunity to introduce ourselves. First, I am Salahuddin Abdul Basit Mahmoud, a first year BSc Accountancy from the College of Business and Accountancy.
And I am Abdulatif Nusriya from CHS Level 1 and BSL.
Hi Miss Abdulatif, have a good day and nice to meet you.
Nice.
Thank you for letting me to have a conversation with you to know about your expectation, thoughts, and insight about the quality service that our university has to offer to each student. So the first question that I really wanted to hear you is, may I know what makes you decide to study here in one of the most prestigious university in our city?
Well, this university is giving quality education for all students. And as per my experience, is the students who wants to have a great experiences during high school is met here at the university. And for that is this university gave a lot of experience and knowledge for students, not only to be a competitive, but also be a globally competitive students.
And do you think those expectations and thoughts that you have before were you met when you were in university, and how was it?
Well, as for my experience, the things that my expectation here at the university is well met, because as for my experience is I've gained a lot of knowledge and experiences from the faculty engagements and so on. And for that, I was really happy because I have this expectation that I met that I didn't have during my senior high days.
So the second one is, how does the university handle of misconduct and ensure a safe environment for all students?
Well, this university, they plan ahead of time, and they take misconduct seriously for the sake of students, and also to make them gain knowledge at the same time. For example, the things that we are facing right now is very difficult for students to study and also facing this future. So they will put a conduct, or they'll conduct something for the students to gain knowledge at the same time they will be safe.
So the last one that I have here is, how satisfied are students with the quality instruction and faculty engagement?
Well, as per my experience, student here at the university is well satisfied because of how they teach, they engage with students, and the faculty engagements, which is, for example, the recent activity that we had is a very good experience for all students here who study here at the university.
And that's for all. Thank you, Ms. Abdulatif, for accepting my invitation and making this happen. I hope you will never get tired of pursuing and getting the title that you have been waiting for. Padayon sa iyo with your RN, and see you around.